How to write a review on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a review. First of all, open the application. Now, here I'm in my home page. Here you can directly search for the book that you want to write a review about, or here you can slowly scroll down and select any one of this book. Now, these are the details about the book. Slowly scroll down until you go to the section of reviews. So it is right here. Now, on the bottom, there is an option called add your own review or write a review. So simply tap on write a review. Now here you can write any of the review here. So in my case, I'm not being able to do so because I have not met the requirement. But if you are a subscriber or a membership, you'll be able to write a review and even give the stars. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.